Yo, what's the deal? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you don't hit that notification bell. It's a real quick video. I just want to update y'all on this PCG trade idea that I posted on this channel about 9 months ago. This trade is currently up about 60%, something around there. Yeah, man, it's just dope to see proof of concept. It's dope to see me pick a stock, predict what it's going to do, and it does exactly what I predicted. It just builds up my confidence in investing and trading and getting closer and closer to wealth, right? So PCG, again, if you have not watched the last video, which I'm sure you haven't, it's only about 20 views or something, is a energy stock. And when I charted it, it was at stockcharts.com. On this video, it was at $10.24, and it's currently at $16.94, $16.96 or something like that. $16.96. And this is just like, hold on, let me go to my other account. This is just showing you the possibilities, right? Let me make this bigger for y'all. Yeah, it's just showing y'all the possibilities when it comes to trading. Okay, there we go. So July 2nd, right? And if you want to know how to scan for the stocks, how to chart them, how to know if they even are worth investing, be sure to check out my previous videos. So on that video, where was it at? 10/24. Okay, and it's the very first video on this channel, July 2nd. So I say about right here, right? This where you would have gotten in, right? Because again, RSI. Wait, is this July? No, July 2nd. Yeah, about right here, July 2nd. Why it don't look the same though? This chart don't look the same as this chart. Yes, it does. So the RSI was low. It wasn't extremely low. It wasn't below 30, but it was still low, and it was pointing upward. Right, and then I noticed this down here, the MACD. And it's 1 o'clock in the morning, by the way. I'm trying to keep it quiet. I noticed the MACD here was actually touching, right? Let me go back to this video. It was good. Welcome. So you live my very first video. That's crazy. And what happened? Okay, anyway. Yeah, I noticed the MACD was touching and going up, crossing up and over the signal line. RSI was low and extremely low, but and then also I noticed it had just went up and above a moving average. So whenever a stock closes above a moving average, that's a signal that is headed upwards, especially if it's like the 5, 20, 50, 200. The higher the moving average, the more bullish the stock is if it's pushing up and above that moving average. As you can see here, once it pushed up above this 200 moving average right here, this purple line, it went crazy. This is beautiful. So this is a perfect setup, and you would have made, right? I like to use easy math. So you got in here at 10/24, and you just held it. You didn't do nothing for 9 months. You just put your money in here and just let it ride. Why? Because as your money is sitting and investing and growing, you're still earning money doing whatever you do. Like me, I drive for Uber. I do some online stuff. I ain't been active recently, but I know how to make money online. So the money you invest is the money you don't need, right? And that's the beauty of it. It's like having it in a savings account, but it's growing, right? Dope. So yeah, 66%. 9 months, you would have earned 66% on whatever you would have invested. So for easy math, I like to always use 1,000, right? Seven, I got 1,000. I don't need it no time soon. I'm gonna go make this week. I'm gonna go make another 1,000 this week. I'm gonna throw this in this trade. I trust my, analysis. Let's see what it do. Bam, you would have placed it in this trade. Just held it, let it run, and you would have made $660 in 9 months by doing nothing, right? Let's just have fun divided by 9. You would have been making $73 a month passively on average, just coming to your account every month. 73, right? Now, let's say you had, let's make it, more reasonable. Let's just say 5,000, right? Say you just put your whole income tax check, put your whole income tax check in, right? Multiply that time, you would have made 3,300 in 9 months, right? Divide that by 9, $366 a month. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, unfortunately, I didn't take this trade. I don't know why I didn't take the trade. I just made a video about it, and these was the price targets right here, right? I remember the $12 range, I think, then the $13 range, then I think the $14 range. But we surpassed all that. We got all the way up to the high so far has been 1696. Yeah. And as you see, like what most likely is going to happen, it's like when it got here, right? You notice when the stock got here, what happened? Price fell. My arrow. Price fell from 16, almost 17 down to 15. Then it found support from a previous level right here. It found support from some previous support and resistance level, and it bounced up again. So yeah, I'm not trying to teach y'all nothing on this video. This is just for me to show y'all that it is real and you can make money in the stock market with high probability trades, low risk, right? And let me tell you the cool part about it, right? I remember saying like the stop loss, see, you would have been stopped out. No, you wouldn't have been stopped out. Let me tell you why. Because they never closed, right? The stock never closed below, I think I said like 980. You could go watch the video. I go over the whole play in my video, but I think I said if it get down to 980, see it close on 960. Me, I wouldn't have put a stop loss, but I was saying just because I said that in the video, just because, I'm gonna show y'all how to set a stop loss. So your stop loss would have been a previous low. And of course, let me see. On that chart, it was further back. So I think I said like $9.80, right? But me, if I would have seen it drop to $9.60, I would have held it. I wouldn't have sold it, because that's the gambler in me, I guess. But yeah, most likely what's going to happen is the stock is probably going to pull back some because it's hot. It's reaching the 70 level. And remember, that's extremely hot. It needs to cool down. When it gets cool or cold, it needs to warm up. And you see it happen every time, man. Every time. Every time the RSI gets low, extreme to extreme. Extreme to extreme, right? Yeah, and that's how you could have made 66% on your money in 9 months by not doing a damn thing, but watching my video and applying the information I'm giving you. But I don't want to make it much longer than it has to be. That's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell, and yeah, don't forget to get money.